Only fire, only water, only money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the #GrowThis squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. So this is the day 5 of my 7-day makeup challenge. If you don't know what my 7-day makeup challenge is where I pick 7 beauty YouTubers and I recreate some of their most colorful looks, because as a dark skin girl, there's not enough color options for us out there. So I'm just trying to play with colors and really see what actually works and what doesn't. So today's look is inspired by YOUKEYY. If you don't know who YOUKEYY is, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I love YOUKEYY so much. She's so beautiful, so talented. She's like the queen of makeup, the queen of colors. Like all the colors that she does is popping. Anyways, as you can see, it's like a gold and purple kind of look. I love this look so much. I would say it's my favorite so far. I love how the colors blend together. Anyways, let me just shut up and get started. So I've done this eye. I'll be doing this eye on camera.
Esther on the track.
I fill it up. Yellow wine, make it wine for the door. I fell in love. Yellow wine, make it wine for the door.
Ghana girl say she want marry me, oh. Hope say she sabi cook your watch. Hope your love go sweet past the sheet on. Baby girl, I say, your body na killer, oh. I feel to die by your body, only on your body. That girl for the corner, tell somebody make a call, amo. Where she the wine now, my see fire for your body, oh. Fire for your body, oh. And if she follow me, go now, enjoyments go kill, amo. Go kill, amo. Oh, baby girl, you are the girl, the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you are my woman, eh? My superwoman. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. So why you gonna do like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do like that. Why you gonna act like you don't know? Baby, don't do like that. Baby, don't tell me you don't know that you're beautiful. Don't do like that. I know you feel it in the bone inside your body. I know you need someone to hold, somebody like me. I know you want a piece of me. I know you wanna scream my name. So tell me right now what's better. And my bed is final. Weezy baby babala. My girl with designer. Everything where I give him final. Yeah. I know like Wahala. Weezy baby babala. See my bed is final. When me drop, everybody know the tire. But my bed is final. Weezy baby babala. My girl with designer. Everything where I give him final. Yeah. I know like Wahala. Weezy baby babala. See my bed is final. When we drop, everybody know that. So you want take control, control, yeah, yeah. Hey, so you want take control, control, yeah. The way she dey do me, you back back control, control. See the way you dey roll, you dey back back control, control. See my baby want to take control, yeah. And my bed is final. With the baby babala. My girl with designer. Everything where I give him final. Why you gonna do like that? Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do like that. Baby, don't act like you don't know. Baby girl, you bad. Girl, the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. Say you are my woman.
So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I love creating it. Please follow me on my Instagram and tag at YOUKEYY on the post of this look. Thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.